Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, just open Settings. Now click on Bluetooth section here and tap on this switcher to activate it. After that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in this pop-up. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this little icon next to the device and select Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!